welcome back to my channel. People who are watching me for the first time, my name is Veda and I make videos on random topics which I'm capable of presenting well in front of you all. So today's video is all about Koti shopping haul. Without any further delay, let's get started with the video.
So the first shop is Shilpa. In Shilpa, we can find any kind of fabrics or materials like with different colors, and also we can find ready-made blouses with different fabrics like embroidery one, different patterns, party ones, cotton silk, plain ones. The best part is it has different sizes too, and there is also a branch in the opposite lane, and we can also find different palazzos on the street itself with very affordable price. The quality is also okay, good, not bad. You can also find jewelry. There are so many different types of oxidized silver jewelry. They are really good for the prices they are uh, selling for. And there are also different bags, handbags, school bags, everything. And there was also these kind of any item for rupees 10 kind of stalls here and there. And then there is this second shop. This shop has so many party wear kind of clothing and also saris. Like, it's really good. You can find good stuff over here. And then there is this huge building that has different shops, and it has again all the same saris, materials, and different dresses. And this is my favorite shop. Here you can find any kind of sari you want, like literally any kind of sari, plain saris, printed saris, organza, silk saris, cotton saris, etc. for good fixed prices though, but it's really good. The quality is really good. I love this half sari. The blue and yellow combination is super pretty. And then there is this one bangle store. It's not on the main road, but it is like inside a street. This store, trust me, this has all kinds of bangles like shimmer bangles, plain bangles, metal bangles, party bangles, festive bangles, kundan bangles, all kinds of bangles, matte bangles. And the shopkeeper was super kind. Like, he, though I didn't buy anything, he was so kind that he actually showed me bangles for the video. So if you really want some good bangles, trust me, this place is where you have to shop from. This is like not on the main road. I'm not sure about the place. You can just find it, but definitely you can just find it easily. And again, this is one shop from where I bought one of my dresses. This particular shop has cotton dresses like kurtis that has sets, and it's really good. Like, it's very affordable too, and the quality is also good. And then this is my favorite shop, not this one, this one. Or you can get all kind of western dresses from here, just you have to be sure of the quality sometimes. And then there are also different kinds of scarves. They are really good with different patterns and colors and fabrics. In Sultan Bazaar, you can also buy different home decor items like pillows, curtains, and there are many more items as such. You can just shop and find it and buy it. There are also long cotton skirts. They are really pretty good for the summer. And also there are different cases, phone cases. They are really good. They are super vibrant and colorful. And yeah, that's it.
So today's video is all about Koti clothing haul. It's only clothes, nothing else, no jewelry or no shoes. It's just clothes. And it's been a long time since I had made any kind of fashion video or clothing video. So also recently I posted a Q&A kind of thing on Insta, and this was one requested one, like for street shopping. So here I am. Without any further delay, let's get started with the video. Okay, so the first one is this one piece. This is one nice floral one piece. This also has small detailing, that it has chicken curry kind of a slight detail on it. If you can see it and it has nice 3-layered ruffle hands. It also has a knot on the back, and it's a very breathy, subtle, floral printed dress. Prices I actually forgot. I didn't note down. This must be all the products. Sorry, all the clothes are under 500, mostly under 400. This must be around 350 or something. Definitely, this must be around 350. So yeah, that is it. And the next one is this hot pink woolen tube top, kind of, not tube top, but it is like figure hugging cloth. It is super comfy, super soft, and the quality is also really good, trust me. And the color is like, you can never say no to a hot pink. Like, it is one of those whites and blacks kind of color, and it also has a super detailing black outline on both the hands. The hands has kind of like a flower kind of thing, and even in the bottoms also we have this black lining over here. So yeah, this is like full neck. There is no V-neck or boat neck or anything. This is like round full neck. This is really nice, like really nice. And then we have this cute little navy blue color. It's not navy blue also. It is like dark ocean blue kind of a top. And this neck, this isn't a boat neck. This is more of like a square, wide square neck. Like, I hope you can understand what I'm trying to say. And the hands are also like 3/4 hands. It is not like here. Obviously, it is like here. It's not super short. It's not super. It's not super long. It's like 3/4 hands. Not 3/4 hands. It is, I don't know what we call that length, but it's like till here. And it has this yellowish neon outline. I only bought this top because of this outline. Sometimes we see something and we buy it. After wearing it, we realize that it is not for us. Like, we are not comfortable wearing it and stuff. So this is one of those tops. When I saw it, I bought this only for the outline, this border detailing kind of stuff. But when I wore it, I didn't kind of feel comfortable, or I didn't kind of feel good wearing this top. So yeah. And the next top is my favorite one. This is one nice padded green neonish super free sweater kind of a top. This really is very beautiful. It has nice detailing over here. I bought this top especially for this particular design. It's super nice and it's super comfortable. Like, you can wear this anywhere, anytime. It's that good. The quality of the top is also very nice. It's kind of a little delicate, but it's super nice. If you have seen my recent vlog video, then you must have definitely seen this dress. This is a one piece. It is a cotton fabric. This is super duper comfortable. Like, the quality, the cotton is super nice, and it has buttons all over. It has buttons all over. You can also detach all the buttons and you can just wear it like a shrug if you want to. And the best thing about this dress is it has pockets on both the sides. Like, having pockets on your dresses is like cherry on the cake. So yeah, I love these kind of white. I love this color, white and blue combination. It kind of gives the summer breezy vibes. So why not? And the last one is this top, the one which I'm going to show you next. Honestly speaking, I somehow feel baggy clothes are super comfortable and super chill and nice. Like you shouldn't be tight or something, you should be loose and comfy. So this is the one. This was actually randomly when I have completed my shopping and I was just walking for something else, and I found this under boys section. Like it was just on the footpath with once in a store, and it had like for 100 and 150, and I love the color. I bought this only for the color combination, that is red and white. So I bought it only for this color combination, red and white. It was for 100 rupees only, but the quality of the cloth is super duper nice. You might be thinking for 100 rupees what will be the quality, but trust me, the quality of this t-shirt is extremely good. And yeah, this is super long, but I may cut off the below part. Especially I don't like t-shirts having this stretchable thing in the bottom. Like it somehow doesn't feel good for me. So yeah, that is it. And also I forgot, this beautiful saree that I'm wearing right now is also from Coty. So I love sarees, especially Georgette, chiffon kind of sarees that are super lightweight and super wearable and comfy. I'm using this word a lot, comfy. But yeah, this is actually my first ever printed saree. I've always tried plain chiffon Georgette sarees, but I've never tried a printed one. So this is the one, and I bought this especially keeping in mind that I wanted something like a vintage, that gives a vintage vibes, like the old, like our mothers times. Like I hope you'll understand what I'm trying to say. And I got the blouse stitched with it, like a V-neck blouse with hands till here. So Coty has all those stuff like you're looking for, not only fashion but also home appliances, like home stuff and all. And basically all the prices are affordable. All the clothing and all the stuff are affordable. You must just look at the right places, like so that you can get the kind of stuff you like your style and your comfortable fashionable choices. You have to look around properly, nicely, then you'll definitely get your kind of clothes. And all the clothes are not on super affordable prices. Some clothes are like 750, 850, though they are reasonable for kind of quality and clothing designs they are providing. So that's all for the video. I hope you like this video. If you do like this video, please do like, comment. If you have any other video suggestions like shopping videos, fashion videos, haul videos you want me to do, I would love to do it. And also all the price of the clothing will be given on the screen itself. I hope I have mentioned all the prices of the clothes, and any few the details also which I forgot to mention will be in the description box below. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.